Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Phila, and please do not forget to subscribe and also click on the bell so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. Guys, I really do appreciate it. Big days, guys. It's festive season, so we all want to be on flick. We want our hair to be on flick. We want our hair to be slick and nice and curly and everything nice. So today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how to revive your curly hair, right? So I did a video 2 years ago where I was reviving my curly hair, but on that video I was using the microwave method. So today I'm going to do a different method altogether, reviving curly hair but not the microwave method. So it's for all the people that do not have the microwave, or they're scared to put their wigs on the microwave, or scared to put plastic bags in the microwave. So this video is for you. If you'd like to check out the microwave method, I'll make sure that I link it for you. Talking about that video, I got a lot of engagement, and I still am getting a lot of engagement on that video, and a lot of questions too. And unfortunately, I could not answer all the questions because there were a lot, number one. Number two, people were asking the same questions over and over again, and I answered where I could. What I will do today is I will start off this video with answering a few of the questions that I got there, because I believe some of them apply to what we're going to be doing today. And then the second half of this video, I will then show you how to restore your hair. So if you are here for restoring the hair part only, please feel free to check on the description box and see when that part starts. I'll do that whole, is it a timestamp or what? If it's not a timestamp, I'll probably put the correct wording for it. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So the first question that I got a lot was, does it work for synthetic hair? I am showing you how to revive human hair. So in terms of synthetic hair, I wouldn't want to say yes or no because I haven't tried it, and I do not know if it will work the same way or not. As the next question is, can I use any conditioner, or does it have to be the exact same conditioner as me? The answer to that is you can use any conditioner. You can use a conditioner of your choice. And please note, guys, I'm going to be using leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to be using normal conditioner, and these two are different and they play different roles. So yes, you have to use both normal conditioner and leave-in conditioner, but it can be any brand as long as it's leave-in conditioner and also conditioner. And yes, guys, you have to use both. Let's move on to the next question, and the question that I got was the metal comb situation. Guys, it's something that we all know. Metal inside the microwave is a big no-no. So with me, my wig does not have any metal combs. That's why I was able to put it inside the microwave and did not have any problem. But if you have combs in your wig, obviously you'll have to take out those combs before you put your wig in the microwave. But alternatively, you can use the method that I am showing to you guys today. Can I use oil on the hair? It's your own choice. I personally do not put any oil on my hair. On my method that I use, I do not put any oil, and I never put oil on my hair. Yeah. In terms of the microwave, make sure that your microwave is not on high. The heat level must be on low, not high. And that way it will not melt your lace. We're not trying to make a fire. We're not trying to braid the hair. So make sure that the heat level is low, and then the plastic will not burn, your lace will not burn. Just make sure that the heat level is low. Then you can put your plastic inside the microwave. I am restoring my kinky curly Mongolian hair that I bought from Icy Hair 3 years ago. Alright, so you're going to start by co-washing the hair. So here I'm just wetting the hair before I apply the conditioner. Today I'm going to be using the Herbalife Herbal Aloe Strengthening Conditioner. I love this conditioner so much. You will just see why I love it. You will see what it will do to my hair. So you just have to make sure that the whole hair is coated with conditioner. Do not be stingy with your conditioner, guys. Curly hair loves conditioner and water. So make sure that you apply a generous amount of the conditioner to the hair. Guys, don't forget to add enough conditioner to your closure or your frontal. Don't be stingy with the conditioner, guys. And then you move on to the second step, which is detangling. So you will start combing your hair. You start from the bottom, working your way up with a wide tooth comb. Give extra attention to your nape area. You know the nape is always the one that mats a lot and it needs extra love, so make sure that you give it the love that it needs. When you are done combing the hair, then you can move on to washing off the conditioner. And then we move on to deep conditioning the hair. I'm using the same conditioner, guys, so you will add a generous amount of the conditioner and then you work it in the hair, and then you can start finger detangling the hair just to make sure that the conditioner is being distributed evenly, and also just making sure that the hair does not have any knots. Curly hair loves conditioner so much, guys. As you can see, the curls are already starting to pop, so make sure that you are not stingy with your conditioner and distribute it everywhere. The hair needs to have enough conditioner for it to deep condition. As you can see, guys, I am still finger detangling the hair and also just distributing the conditioner, because the whole aim is to just make sure that the hair has enough conditioner for it to deep condition. I forgot to add in the beginning, I only co-wash my curly hair. I never use any shampoo because it dries it up, and this is the amount of hair that came out, and then I left the hair to deep condition overnight. Look at how juicy those curls look. Then you wash off the conditioner. It already did what it's supposed to do. Remove excess water. I am using a cotton t-shirt. Do not use a towel, guys, it will over dry your hair. You can either use a cotton t-shirt, an old cotton t-shirt, or you can use a microfiber towel. The next step is to apply leave-in conditioner. So I am using the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, but you can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Do not forget to give extra love to your nape area and also your frontal or your closure. I am finger detangling just to distribute the conditioner nicely. Next off, we will brush the hair. This one is optional. If after finger detangling you feel like your curls are fine like that, you can always just move on to the next step. But I am just brushing the hair to reactivate the curls nicely, and I'm using this particular brush because I want my curls to be smaller. If you want your curls to be bigger, you can use a Denman brush. One thing about this hair, guys, it does not shed a lot. I know curly hair sheds, but this particular one, shame, it doesn't shed a lot. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the amount of shedding or the amount of hair that came out after all the manipulation that I did to the hair this day. If you want the curl pattern to be a bit tighter, you can crunch the hair and then you leave it to air dry. I did not crunch my curls because I wanted them to be loose. The hair turned out perfectly. This is the end result, guys. Look at that. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it. Who knows, girls, they need the information, so make sure that you share it. And if there's anything that you feel like I left out, feel free to drop it on the comment section down below, or if you have any questions, I'll try my level best to answer those questions. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.